What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Solana exploding, sitting at $87. In our last video, we talked about Sol pushing to $85. We're already passing that. We're up 13% in the last 24 hours. Seeing market cap 37.3 billion. 24-hour volume 4.5 billion. So this is what we're looking at. If you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. 1, 2, push up, 3, 4, 5. I do think we're going to push up to at least $90 to $99, potentially push all the way up to $100. So if you want to look at a micro count, let's just use my brush here. Here's a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. There's your wave 3, wave 4, and now you're pushing up in that wave 5. Within that wave 5 or 5 waves, so you have wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. This is a wave 3. Pull back in a 4, push up a 5, potentially to $100, which would be absolutely amazing. As you can see on the daily chart, the next resistance is that $100. See all the resistance right here. There's really not a lot of trading volume in this area, so it could easily push all the way up to $100 to that next major level of resistance before seeing a rejection. Just watch that bearish D, see if it continues to print, push right up to 100, see that rejection, pullback, continuation. Absolutely exploding to the upside. Shout out to all my Sol investors. I do have a significant bag in Solana, which is already in profit, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, push up to 100, see that pullback. That will be our next trade opportunity. Send it back up to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at least 90, potentially $100, because that's the next major level of resistance before seeing that larger wave 2 pullback. We're currently in a trade for BTC, XRP, and Matic. I gave the signal for BTC yesterday or the day before. It's already in some juicy gains. If you want my access to my trade signals completely for free, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20. Email me after you make that deposit. You'll get your 20% bonus and access to my VIP rooms for my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, completely for free with a sign up and first deposit to BITUNIX, as well as that 20% bonus. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.